Malamai and aloha. O Jerneen kowahi ko'inoa, ayava makapapa eiva. What I just said is welcome and hi. My name is Jerneen Kawahi and I am a 9th grader. We are here at Māla'ai Garden. This is basically where I spent the 3 best years of my life at Waimea Middle School. Māla'ai translates to food garden, and it is a big part of what we do here, which is to grow, harvest, and eat the delicious food. Waimea Middle School, or Māla'ai Garden, is located in the northern part of the Big Island, which is surrounded by mountains, hills, and ranchland, with the ocean just down the hill. Before we enter the garden, we usually oli or chant, and the chant that we do is Malana Mai Ko'u, which basically talks about all the different parts or places on Hawaii Island. The reason as to why we chant is because not only to ask for permission, but to also get us into the mindset of focusing and bringing the knowledge of what we know into the garden.
When I chant, I feel good and connected and present.
Just remember this is a time for reflection and to really let yourself relax.
One activity we do in the garden is 2 minutes of kilo, and kilo basically means to observe. This is a silent time where we use our senses to not only observe ourselves, but also observe our surroundings.
During kilo, I feel like relaxed and like all my worries are gone. I can hear the birds, I can hear the wind, I can hear everything. You take 2 minutes and then like you breathe in and out. You just think of your day, how it went, and what you're feeling right now.
I really like doing 2 minutes. It's like nice to just to sit down and like observe your surroundings and how things grown or changed.
Kilo is something you can do all by yourself. Just make sure you stay quiet and to use all of your senses. One very important plant that we grow in our garden is kalo, or taro. Here in Hawaii, this crop has a very special significance that connects us to where we live. We regard this plant as our big brother and give it the name hāloa, the long breath of life.
In 6th grade, our kumu or teacher, Lanakila, comes to the garden and shares the Hawaiian creation story with us. We learned that haloa is a sacred plant that grew out of the earth and shares the same parents as mankind. Haloa is born first, so he is our elder brother. We must take care of this plant like it takes care of us by giving us food and life. You can eat the leaves, the stem, and the corm.
Oh, I'm not scared of ladders.
Of course, everyone loves to harvest, cook, and eat. Eating food in the garden is a great time to try new things and to eat fresh, healthy, and delicious meals. The things we cook are so ono, delicious.
We made crispy kalo with herbs. Cooking is my favorite activity because I like to eat what I grow.
Now with COVID, we have to be at a desk at home by ourselves for hours on end. So coming to the garden is just so great to be able to socialize and be with friends and teachers and everyone.
We practice Hawaiian culture in the garden to really perpetuate it and to educate students so it doesn't die off.
I love plants. I love everything in nature. The plants here are amazing. The people here are amazing as well. And it's just an amazing place overall.
Mahalo for joining us. And if you have the time, make sure to try and do your 2-minute kilo at home.